The new iPhone SE4 is coming with a 6.1-inch OLED display. It's a 60Hz display with a full HD Plus resolution, has a 12-megapixel selfie camera and the Face ID sensor, and then over on the rear it's just a single 12-megapixel wide-angle camera. Now it's coming with a new A18 chip which delivers more power, better graphics and a longer battery life, and it's also going to be great for all of the new AI features. And it's coming with 8GB of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 storage. We get a 3,350 mAh battery along with improved fast charging technology for both wired and wireless charging, and it's coming with iOS 18 and is expected to launch from around $500.
तेरा कितना सोना ना ढोला कोई तेरे